Yeah, people tend to forget you have to create sacred space. Now, if you don't create sacred space, you're working against blockages. And these could be in your home. There could be negative entities. There could be spirits. There just could be bad energy. You may have geopathic stress problems. All of these things cause the energies to be decreased and can actually cause you to fail what you're doing. It's just as simple as that. So you want to create a sacred space. So having something like this, and of course, using our sacred energy altar cloths is another way to go. But I'm always looking for new, better products that are cool. That potentially, now the classic altar cloth designs that I have certainly are beautiful and very effective. And these tend to bring in other energies as well to assist the process, while these are just positive energies that clear out negative energies. So you're not going to be bringing in, like some of our classic altar cloths have all the angels on them. They go back thousands of years of magical use. So those are interesting. But the whole idea is when you have something like this, all you have to do is pop these underneath. They're beautiful. You can leave them out as well on your tables. You could put these up on the wall as decorations. These are approximately, what are these, 4 or 5 inches? Let me get my little measuring stick. Where is that now? Must have stuck that somewhere. But these are about 6 inches. I'll give you the dimensions, but you can follow the link below. You can get these. They're shipped directly from the manufacturer to you, which is in Asia, so it takes a little bit of time, but well worth a little bit of weight. But and you know, both sides are cut beautifully, very fine laser cut wood. And what is this? Three, maybe 6 inches. So they're nice and compact, and you can do anything. You can put crystals on here. You can put these, put a water jug on top of this if you want to. There's many, many uses. Or as I said, you can just kind of hang these on the wall. I believe, I don't know if they all do. There's a hole there. So you can put a little nail up, and then you can put it up against your wall here. And that will create energy in that particular area. And that's another good thing to do. If you're working in a room all the time, create an energy for that particular room to have positive energy in it. And these are something you maybe want to put in every room. So you can put one in your bedroom. You can put them in your kitchen. You can use these in many different ways. And not only do you have attractive, beautiful little woodcuts, but you're getting that energy, and that's what I like to do. So you can use them in a common way and make it special in general. Let's see if the other ones have any kind of... Okay. Doesn't have a particular... Oh, they do have holes in it. So they all have holes in them at the top here, so you can actually put a little nail there and hang it on there. Great thing to put up on your walls here. And any wall and any room that you're working in, your bedroom, etc., if you're having problems. The more positive energy you have, the better. And if you're working with any kind of tech, any kind of subtle energy machines, you need as much positive energy as you get. We're living in a very negative world. It's getting worse, people. We're going through some tough times here. Everybody needs to pump in as much as they can. And if you can do that at a great price, what more can you ask for? So until next time.